Hey, I'd like to make a quick little video here to show you how to request e-signatures from documents that you might have already received. First thing you're going to want to do is download that document. And so I'm just going to go to a random document here on our website, and I'm going to go ahead and click on it. If it automatically opens it up in your system browser, there should be somewhere that you can download the link. So you can see it's right over here. I'm going to go ahead and click on download. It's going to ask me where to save. I'm going to go ahead and hit save it. Now from here, you can go ahead and click on show in Finder, and it will automatically show you where you just downloaded that from. So I'm going to use a different document just because this one is a little different than the one I'm working on. So I'm going to go ahead and once it downloads, I'm going to go ahead and open it up, and it'll actually open it up in Adobe now. And so now here's the document that I have, and I want to get someone to sign it. So on the bottom left, I'm going to go ahead and hit request e-signatures. It's going to pull up a window and it's going to say, who would you like to send this to? That's where you type in the person's email address. For this example, I'm going to use my personal email address. It's going to ask for the subject in the email that it's going to send. And then you can put something in the body of it as well. Okay, and then you're going to go next to specify where to sign. And it's actually going to upload the document. And then it should pull it up here. It might take a minute. And now I'm going to scroll down to see where I want them to sign. So you can see down here, employee signature, supervisor signature, the date. Adobe will try to automatically scan it and detect the spots for which you to sign. So if I hover over it, you can already see that it kind of detected the area and it knows that it's a signature. So all I'm going to do is just click, and it'll automatically create a signature box right there for it. Okay, same with the date. I need the date as well. I'm going to click once, and it's going to put that box in there, but I want it to be specific to a date. And so you can look down here, and it has text already selected, so they could type in this box. There is a signature field, which is the box that we previously used, but if we go over here, there's more field types. If we click on this, you'll see that there's actually one that says date field. And so set as signatures date field. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that, and then it'll automatically change that to a date box. If the box itself is too small, you can hover over it, and your cursor will turn into a resize box, and you can resize the box like that. If you start clicking randomly on the document and it starts dropping more signature box fields, you can always just click on it and hit the three dots and hit delete field, or you can just hit your delete button. You can also move them around and put them wherever you would like. But when that is done, then all you have to do is hit send, and it'll automatically send this document out to the people for signatures. I hope this video helps you to add signatures and dates to PDFs and get them sent out. If you have any questions, just please reach out to me and let me know. Thank you. So what happens if your PDF does not open in Adobe? After you download the file to your desktop or to your downloads folder, wherever it is, when you're clicking on it and let's say it opens up in preview or opens back up in Chrome, what we can actually do is you can actually right click on it and you can hit open with, and then this is where it's going to show Adobe Acrobat, and mine's already set as default. If it doesn't show up there in Adobe Acrobat, you can actually click on other and then actually view through your applications to see that you can find Adobe and then select it here, Adobe Acrobat, and then click open, and then it'll open with Adobe. You can also set it to always open with, so it'll change it to your default program will always open in Adobe then each time you download PDFs. It's up to you if you would like to do that, or you just got to right click on it and then just hit open with and do it this way. So if you have any questions about that, let me know and I can help you out as well.